What's something people don't know about working in Lithuania? Well, for starters, Lithuania offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition, making it an attractive destination for professionals from around the world. The country is known for its high quality of life, vibrant culture, and a growing economy that offers numerous opportunities for career advancement. You need to watch this if you struggle with navigating international job applications. Applying for jobs abroad can be daunting, but with the right guidance, you can make the process smoother and more efficient. First things first, start by hunting down job opportunities in Lithuania. Utilize global portals like LinkedIn and Indeed, or dive into local sites like cv.lt. These platforms are treasure troves of job listings that cater to various industries and skill levels. Make sure to set up job alerts to stay updated on the latest openings. Don't just stop online. Network. Tap into groups and contacts in your industry to uncover hidden gems. Attend industry conferences, webinars, and networking events to meet potential employers and colleagues. Building a strong professional network can open doors to opportunities that might not be advertised online. Once you've got potential jobs lined up, it's time to polish your resume. A well-crafted resume is your ticket to getting noticed by employers. Highlight your skills, experiences, and achievements in a way that aligns with the job requirements. Adapt it to European standards, making sure your skills and experiences shine. European resumes often include a professional photo, personal details, and a clear, concise format. Research the preferred resume style in Lithuania to make a strong impression. And don't forget a compelling cover letter. It's your personal pitch. Your cover letter should complement your resume by providing context to your experiences and explaining why you're the perfect fit for the role. Tailor each cover letter to the specific job and company you're applying to. Now, hit send on those applications. Double-check that all attachments are included and that your contact information is correct. A small mistake can cost you a job opportunity, so take your time to review everything before submitting. And remember, persistence pays. Follow up. If you haven't heard back within a week or two, send a polite follow-up email to inquire about the status of your application. This shows your enthusiasm and keeps you on the employer's radar. Got a job offer? Congratulations! Receiving a job offer is a significant milestone, but the journey doesn't end here. But there's more to do. Your employer will typically handle the work permit, but you'll need to gather documents like your passport copy and employment contract for the next steps. Ensure all your documents are up to date and in order to avoid any delays. Next up, applying for a national D visa. This visa allows you to stay in Lithuania for an extended period and is essential for your employment. Gather all necessary documents, including your shiny new job offer letter, and schedule an appointment at the Lithuanian Embassy in Islamabad. Other required documents may include proof of accommodation, health insurance, and financial means to support yourself during your stay. Don't forget to attend your visa interview and keep all receipts after paying the visa fee. The interview is a crucial step where you may be asked about your job, your employer, and your plans in Lithuania. Patience is key now as you wait for your visa. Processing times can vary, so it's important to stay patient and keep track of your application status. Use this time to prepare for your big move. Book your flight and get ready to embark on your new career in Lithuania. Research the city you'll be moving to, find accommodation, and familiarize yourself with the local culture and language. Remember, every document, every interview, every form, it's all part of your journey to a new life and career in Lithuania. Stay organized and keep copies of all your documents for future reference. So keep your eyes on the prize and let's make this happen. Your dream job in Lithuania is within reach, and with determination and preparation, you can make it a reality.